Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm in Canggu. Recently, I'm laughing because I got a special offer. What I nearly was considering to accept. Don't show the Canggu till end of the year, but I couldn't hear from this guy anymore. So, especially for you, mate, I came to Canggu. Anyways, considering how many views my videos from Kuta, Legian, or even Seminia getting, and considering how many views we're getting from Canggu videos, and considering how busy it's in Canggu actually right now at 4 o'clock, Canggu is the top one destination in Bali in 2023, and it's official. And I go to Love Anchor because I need to buy something there. I'm gonna show you around. Okay, let's go. Enjoy. I'll show you around. That's the situation of Canggu. We're going to Love Anchor, Sayang. Just remember, don't spend too much money, huh?
Yeah, let's go.
And
So we go to the most visited market in Canggu. It's called Love Anchor. Let's see how it is inside.
Let's
and it's
see.
packed of
This is
people.
nice bazaar actually. They're loud music, so I have to speak quick and fast and loud. Or I'm just gonna show you with my own music. I'm not sure. I don't wanna get the copyright. I cannot. But it's very busy over here. I'm gonna tell you. You can see. Unbelievable, actually. Very interesting place.
All right, this place seems packed of people, and most of them young visitors. So yeah, let's go there. There must be so many, beautiful things about the Bali
It's like a
souvenirs, something
bazaar.
like that, like
in
bazaar.
general. Very nice. You can buy so many interesting, nice stuff here. And it's overall very nice decor here. We used to here last time during pandemic, but now it's time to come here again. It's nice. Over you can find a lot of accessories, bags, Bali collections in general, but it's not Bali collection mall. This is the Love Anchor in Canggu, Love Anchor in Canggu. Very nice place in general. A lot of things you can find, and it's also not that super hot like in other bazaars, which is that's why even it's slightly maybe more expensive. It's definitely one of my favorite bazaars here in Bali. And I believe many others people too. Some years ago, this thingy was very popular, and you can find a lot of very interesting things together with the bottle openers. With all the time, my video got demonetized. Overall, this is the situation. Very busy indeed. A lot of people.
All right, so basically this is how it is. It's not that hot in here because of there are fans, so many fans around and under the shade. So no wonder that many people who are staying in Canggu, they like going to this market. So this section is actually lots of jewelries, as you see on the left, on the left side. They've got so many unique design. It's just simply like this. I think that in this place is more, choices if you compare with in in Ubud or something like that, because this one is more into the young people style. You see, so cute. So as you see on the left, on the right side, people are packed here shopping. Damian still confused what to buy basically. So yeah, this is the place. You see, like I told you, everywhere is the fan and then the plants. So it's very convenient place. It's not that hot here, and even the music as well is not that loud. But yeah,
Very carefully,
so
okay?
let's see how Damian is
Okay.
feeling.
Last deal.
The seller
I will be
is
quiet.
like shopping here.
I give you 100K. You take it or
Very
150
nice.
last price.
you cannot do
Oh,
100.
look at this.
100 like this one maybe.
Here the
It's okay. Thank
accessories,
you so much.
the
No worries. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry.
necklaces, so many colors.
Like this 120.
100.
So we go to the one shop here, so many nice bracelets and also nice bags, rattan bags, very nice quality I think. And look at this one, surrounding, you see?
A lot
I
of
can
beautiful
say that
stuff,
a lot
isn't
of
it?
beautiful stuff, and what I can say that this place attract more and more people. You see, in every single corner, people shopping. As you see behind me is that, this place is very packed and very nice, cozy actually, and then most of them are young visitors, like I mentioned you before.
That's it. That's the vibes. Canggu #1. We arrived to the beach, having a coffee, maybe some drink, enjoying the vibe of Canggu by the beach. It's weekend, so why not? I'm gonna show you around. The sun is actually facing there. I shouldn't film like that, but you know. Overall, yeah. Basically, that's the one of the streets. There is something new establishments. We're actually just next to the lawn, legendary the lawn there. But we're not going to the lawn. We're going somewhere here, lah. Yeah.
Let's grab a coffee.
Let's grab a coffee. Do you have a coffee here?
Yes,
Do you have a coffee
so.
machine?
Yes.
Oh my
Look.
God. Fancy now. They have it actually. Here we go. There's actually no place. That's busy as there's no place for us to sit, but the coffee machine. We are at shed, you know. There is the roof, there is coffee machine. We're just gonna standing and have a coffee, but it's no problem at all. We're gonna show you the place a little bit, yeah? Right, let's go.
All right, here we are in the one Warung 5. They said it's called Warung Times Beach, but seems like another type of beach club. So yeah, on the left, on the right side, as you see, this place is packed of people. I'm looking for the place to sit, basically. So yeah, no place to sit. So what I can say then, this is how is the Canggu vibe, basically. So surrounding so busy, and next door over there is the lounge, another beach club with a loud music as well. So yeah, this is it, basically the Canggu vibe. Canggu is attract the surfers. As you see, there are so many surfers around, and that's the beach club. So yeah, I'll take you to stroll around to enjoy the Canggu vibe. Some people may like Canggu and some people may don't like Canggu. I know it's it's your preference, right? But seems like Canggu is the busiest place so far. It's not that white sand beach, but look, there are so many surfers enjoying the time with the hipster vibe, chill vibe. So yeah, if you see, this stream is actually from the river, and we see that the river is not that clean either. So this is it. Alright, because there are no sitting, basically we just standing up and while having a coffee. Cheers. And this place basically is the surfer vibes, you know, like this one is for the surfing school, and surround the vibe is just like this. Surfer vibes with the easygoing chill, you know. On the left, on the right side, people are just having their time. That's over there. Over there is basically the beach club. And yeah, this is the vibe. And this basically the restaurant. It's just like under the shade. If it's too hot for you, you can sit in the restaurant here. And if you just want to lay down on the beanbag, it's just like these people are here. So yeah, this is it.
Right, but overall I'm gonna tell you guys, very nice place. I know I paid service charge and I don't have a seat even, but I forgive them because the coffee was nice. And overall the vibe is very nice, just the loud music just be at the top of me. I have to talk very fast because of that and very loud. Thanks so much, see you tomorrow, see ya.